that I just climbed up. Right now, I figured I would take a video. I'm approaching the Dragon's Tooth. Never been here before. This is the area. It is a very famous area on the Appalachian Trail, as you can see by the rock formations here. And as I walk down, risking my life to take this video, you can see how steep it is, and you can see the view from the tooth here. And this is a pretty incredible rock formations. And the last thing I want to do is fall off of this, so I may put this away now, but you get a gist of what it is. Beautiful view up here today. We'll be heading down to about 2.5 miles down the hill. I will be at a gas station where I will be having burgers, hot dogs, and pizza, because they actually serve that here for hikers. Hey, here I am on McAfee Knob. This is the most photogenic place on the Appalachian Trail. There's the cliff, and as you can see, you are really high up. As this jets out, you can see there's quite a few people up here today. Here we found the other bear. Bear? Bear?
Hey there.
Hello there, bear. Appears to be walking off the trail. It's going to the mother bear. Oh, looks like they're coming together. This is the first time I've actually seen two bears at the same time. Still on the trail. Bear! They say if you make noise, they will walk away. Neither one of them are really huge. And that seems to be it. Hello everybody. I never actually videotaped a shelter before, but this place is phenomenal in the middle of the woods here. I'm going to give you a tour. Usually you have to hang your food so the bears don't get it, but here we have a food box that you put the food in and latch it closed. I've never seen one of these outside of the state of Maine. Usually you put your tents on the ground. We have tent platforms over here, as you can see. You can put your tent on so you don't get water running all over it. We've got a nice bench here to sit in. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a water source down there that runs right in front of the shelter. Look at this water source feed from the shelter. And here's the shelter right here. This is has to be one of the nicest shelters I've seen. It's the Quarry Gap Shelter sign. They even have a flower pot, a couple spots here. Someone's maintaining this very nicely. Got two sleeping areas here, and it looks like it could be pretty bad weather and you would be fine in here, because you're enclosed on almost all four sides with just a small opening. We have an area over here. If it's raining, you can actually cook your food right here and eat it at this picnic table, which is under the roof. Also, you can actually pick up brochures here at this shelter. And here's another sleeping area. This is just a phenomenal shelter. It's a phenomenal place. You can kind of see around the back of it. Even looks like there's spots back there that you can even hang a hammock up, which I would be doing. But like I say, this is just a overall, it's got to be the best I've seen. I see a sign here that says group tenting area. Let's take a look and see what this place is. Need to see where this is. It's down this path right here. There's some more water here. Looks like we're going to catch a squirrel here. It's a very nice area. Let's see. Actually, you're hiking with me a little bit. Some more spots here, it looks like, to tent in. Another water source right here. This is actually common to have logs down, walk across to get over rivers. Of course, the rivers that you can easily navigate, easily negotiate across is easy to get across, and the ones that don't have logs or bridges are the ones that tend to be the most difficult. And that seems to be Murphy's Law out here. There's a few spots that would have been nice to have bridges on. Well, this looks like the larger camping area. As you can see, there's a fire pit and room for plenty of tents over in this area. Also, looks like up there there's some spots, and down here, they say this is one of the best spots I've seen. So, over and out for now. Just had to make this video of this very nice camping spot in the middle of the woods. We're here in Duncannon. I will be staying at the Doyle. This is the Doyle, famous hotel from the 1800s. As you can see, it is a beautiful building. Let's go in and check it out. Hikers welcome, since we're the only ones staying here. Never been in here before. Let's see what they got. Is this where I check in? Doesn't know. Here's the bar area. I made it.
Nice. So,
some hikers here at the bar. Does it get better than this? Some more hikers. So, hey, where do I check in?
Here. There's only one room left. It's a double. You want to put?
I want my own room. I can't get my own room?
Your own room? I'm out. I've got one room left. Do that.
This is by far the most dangerous section of the Appalachian Trail I've been on. As you can see, the rocks actually came up from this direction here. You can see the white blazes here. Let's see if I can get some here. There's some right there. Another white blaze right there. Another one right in front of me. And continue to walk up this rocky section, up this hill to the top. I'll probably take another video here when I get to the top. As you can see, it's very steep. I'm not sure. There's Palmerton over there. That's where I stayed last night. I came down this mountain yesterday in front of me, and there's a couple of other towns over there. I will take another video in a few minutes. This is pretty incredible. If I don't kill myself before I get up there. Okay, folks, I'm only doing 10 miles today. Why? As you can see here at the Mohican Appalachian Trail Center, we have a hiker feed. This is more gigantic than the last one I videotaped. Look at all the people here and all the food. All us through hikers. Hi, how you doing?
Hi, wonderful. Go down and get yourself something to eat.
All right. Look at this. Oh, thanks. We have a bunch of people here, a bunch of hikers here, and a bunch of food. See the stuff on the grill, stuff all over. Well, looks like I'm going to have to cut off again now and do a little bit of eating. Well, it looks like we're up the river a bit here. There's some logs down. There's a nice log right here. It did rain last night. It's nice and wet. I'm not sure what Storm Crow's going to do, if he's going to go for that one over there or not. We'll see what happens. I guess you'll find out on my next post. Alright, now I'm on Mount Lafayette. Excuse the flies, they're all over the place up here. There's Cannon Mountain. There's Franconia Ridge down there. See Route 93. I've never seen it from this angle. There are the ski slopes down there, Cannon Mountain. And there's a continuation of 93 over there, going north. As we whip around here, you can see some more mountains and clouds. Mount Washington is, I believe, underneath the cloud right there. And this is the trail I came up on. Well, I'm heading up to Mount Franklin, I believe. Here comes a hiker. This rocky section, it's a side trail that goes up to this summit right here. It's not part of the Appalachian Trail though. How you doing? You can see the Appalachian Trail as it comes down here. Goes along the bottom of where I am now. And there's an intersection right down there where people are. Continue to see the Appalachian Trail. Continue to wind up to the mountains there. I'll zoom in a little more so you can see it continuing all the way over to that mountain over there. Actually, that's Eisenhower. That was one I was up a while ago. Another video. I somehow winded my way down into this gorge with this huge waterfall. They say it's pretty high up there, and it goes down this way. I'm not really sure where it goes, but then I could find my way back. It's pretty dense in here. I came off the trail, I left some markers so I could find my way back to the trail. But like I say, this is one of the best waterfalls I've seen. A couple hundred feet. It's starting to rain. I'm going to try to make it to the pickup point. That's it for now. On the top of Mount Avery. This mountain right in front of me here, I came up the backside of that to the right and walked the ridge, and then came down into this gap down here, and then up this 4,000 foot monster. As I scan around, there's actually an airport down there. That's probably Rangeley or Stratford Airport or something like that. Who knows? I've never landed there before. Here's Sugarloaf. Right there, I climbed up that yesterday. And as I scan around, you see this peak over here. That's Big Bigelow. I'm going up there next. Doesn't look that bad actually. And then I believe this is Rangeley Lake, correct?
Flagstaff.
Oh, Flagstaff Lake. No, we're not in Arizona. But that is Flagstaff Lake. I guess I'm getting ahead of myself because I took a picture of Rangeley Lake a couple days ago. So, alright, that's it for now. Standing here in front of Niagara Falls, they call it here, back in the state park. pretty amazing. The water comes down and it's flowing pretty nice over here. Pretty big pool down there. Just summer at Katahdin. Now I'm hiking the Knife's Edge. As you can see, it's very narrow and rocky. Here comes a hiker now. How you doing? It goes up these 3 peaks. I'm not sure how far I'm going to go. I started at 8 o'clock this morning, so I'm only going to hike till 1. And that gets me back to 6. But, let's see. It's very windy. I'm not even sure if you can hear me. But